there, skincare enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode of our DIY skincare series. Today, we're diving into a special treat for your skin, especially after those long fasting hours during Ramadan. Have you ever noticed how your skin can look a bit dull and tired after breaking your fast during Ramadan? It's completely normal, but it doesn't have to stay that way. Well, I've got just the thing to bring back that radiant glow. A simple yet effective DIY turmeric and honey mask that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Today, I'm sharing a super simple DIY turmeric and honey mask that's perfect for a post-Iftar pick-me-up. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to whip up this mask with just 2 ingredients. You only need 2 things, turmeric and honey. These ingredients are not only easy to find, but also packed with skin-loving benefits. Turmeric is a powerhouse for your skin. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine and skincare for its incredible properties. It's anti-inflammatory, which means it can reduce redness and puffiness, and it also has antioxidants to fight off those pesky free radicals. This makes it perfect for calming your skin after a long day. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant, meaning it locks in moisture, keeping your skin soft and hydrated. It's also antibacterial, which helps to keep your skin clear and blemish-free. Now let's get to the fun part, making the mask. It's super easy and quick, so you can fit it into your routine without any hassle. Grab a small bowl and mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of honey. Make sure to use a clean spoon to avoid any contamination. Stir it up until you get a smooth paste. The consistency should be thick enough to stay on your face without dripping. And voila, your mask is ready. It's that simple. But before you apply it, there are a few things to keep in mind. Before you apply it, a quick heads-up turmeric can stain your skin and clothes, so be sure to rinse it off quickly and wear something you don't mind getting a little yellow. You might also want to do a patch test if you have sensitive skin. It's a small price to pay for glowing skin, right? Plus, the benefits far outweigh the minor inconvenience of a little staining. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. You can use a brush or your fingers, whichever you prefer. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the ingredients enough time to work their magic on your skin. This is a great time to just relax and unwind. Maybe meditate or listen to some calming music. It's your moment of self-care, so make the most of it. After the time's up, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. Be gentle to avoid irritating your skin. You might need to use a gentle cleanser to get all the turmeric off. Make sure to cleanse thoroughly to avoid any yellow residue. And there you have it, instantly brighter, glowing skin. You'll notice a difference right away and your skin will thank you for it. This mask is especially great after Iftar because it soothes and rejuvenates your skin after a long day of fasting. It's like a mini spa treatment at home. Try using it a couple of times a week for the best results. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy DIY skincare tip. Remember, taking care of your skin is a form of self-love. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more skincare hacks and tips. Your support means the world to me. Let me know in the comments if you tried this mask and how it worked for you. I love hearing your feedback and experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep glowing and take care of your beautiful skin.